Good evening and welcome to a little update on Ratton Central. Now, one of the things we struggle with up here, which you've probably seen from some of the videos, is lighting. So a big thank you to Flying Kipper 03 who suggested strips of LED lights. Now, we use these in our conservatory, so I don't know why I didn't think of these. So we've just gone and bought some. They're about 30 odd quid, which is a bit more than we would normally spend, but we're hoping that it'll make a big difference up here. So what we're going to do is make some supports for them. So what I'm going to do first off is just glue some strips of cardboard here to give the self-adhesive on those strips something to glue to. So we then use the self-adhesive strips on the back of the LEDs to stick to the cardboard pieces. So there we go, we've got all our LEDs up. What we've done is cable tied them to the cardboard supports, and then what I'm going to do, just using some bits of thin cardboard, is just make a shield there so it doesn't glare us straight in the eyes. And then we'll have a really well lit layout for not too much money really, considering how effective it's going to be when it's all done. So there we go, nice lighting for a loft layout done in our usual manner. We could have spent a lot of money doing wooden beams along here and all screwed in, etc, etc. What we've used is corrugated cardboard beams, bits of folded cereal packet to act as the lampshade effectively. Doug shows you how bright it is underneath. And there we go, that should do us quite well. A few cable ties, bit of cardboard and some LEDs, and we've got a really nice light for our loft layout. It's not taking us very long to do or cost too much money. If Doug shows you up there, I've even used a bit of cereal packet card up there to stop the light that's running up the beams being right in our eyes. So I'm pretty pleased with all that. Thank you to our subscriber for the suggestion. And there's another quick easy fix from Budget Model Railways. Have fun with your model railways and model railroading. Hi, thanks for watching the video and for the nice comments. Click on the left for a previous video in this series, click on the right for another video you might enjoy, and please don't forget to click to subscribe, like, comment, etc. Thanks again.